So we actually took out the 335 to get a walnut blast in the morning. I forgot to bring my camera because I was half asleep, but we dropped it off at a shop about like 30 minutes away, so I'm gonna go pick them up right now. I'm currently not in my car. You see, I'm in a Honda because my tensioner's belt decided to go out on me today, so I have to swap that out. I mean, it's kind of expected. What do you expect when you start adding stuff and you don't take care of the essential maintenance? So I'm gonna have to take care of that. So right now we're on our backup plan, and then for plans for today, I think we're doing the downpipe install. Actually, it's either today, which is Friday, or tomorrow, Saturday. I don't know if the only one that says here ahead of time, just so I can make sure the person's already out, but I did that. We'll ignore that part. Oh man, I'm looking fresh today. What's good? You ready to pick up the beam beam? Alright guys, we made it home. I couldn't really record inside there, so yeah, I mean, I got the car and it's running pretty good, but they unfortunately told me that I have a few misfires, and they're gonna send me like a more detailed email on what's going on. Give the boy a little license plate cover. That's actually pretty clean. Okay. It's pretty high quality too. It's not give me a dope ass mask for, you know, block that Rona. Ooh, you give me a shirt? I need more shirts, bro. Ooh. Yeah, pretty clean. Pretty clean. You already know, I got a rep all today to get that magic bit. That's actually pretty nice. Hard. Let me see the material. It's pretty good. That's actually good material. It's not cheap. You already know, you got a rep all today to get that special discount. Okay. Nice. And a sticker. You got some stickers? I'm for sure gonna put this you already on. Know, you already know gearheads and decals.
Gotta rep the boys.
You really gotta rep them.
But yeah, I highly recommend this shop. I mean, especially if you have an N54. I mean, they really know it all.
So apparently someone doesn't know how to put a decal on. Okay, so today's a new day. I'm tired as shit because about 9 in the morning, I slept at like 5. Let's see what we're dealing with. So Dion already jacked up the car before I got here. Removed all like the belly pans and some of the bolts and like the casing from the engine, so we can unplug the O2. So you can see we unplugged them right now. And we're currently working to get out the old ones. One thing that you can notice is that there's actually like a lot of stuff they have to remove just to access the downpipes and to access the sensors from the top as well. Alright guys, so we're under my car as you can see, and the only problem we ran across is this. Well, the downpipe has like a bracket right there, and the only way to get it out is to push it towards the turbo, and there's no space, so yeah, I'm gonna see what I can do. Maybe I can pry it out with like a... Alright, I heard the loud bang, so I can only assume one thing. Did you get it? Huh? Did you get it? Oh wait, I see it first. And the first downpipe comes outside after a whole mission of getting it out and numerous attempts. So that's one. There's a second one to go, so... Yep. Now we can actually see the difference in downpipes. Alright, let's make sure that, yeah, that one. Yep. There they are. Well, that's gonna make quite a difference, so we'll see how that goes. Yeah. Let's see weight. Oh no, yeah, that one's way lighter. That's actually really heavy. Why don't we do what we did with the... Oh, it came off. Oh, that worked. Alright, second downpipe came out too. We're just gonna transfer over the oxygen sensors to the new one. We're gonna put them in, and then we're gonna see how the cold start sounds. So updates in like 4 hours since we last recorded. We took like a ton of breaks, and we still can't put the downpipes on because we're struggling to put the clamps back.
Is your gloves?
And nobody's manly enough to do it. What?
Is your gloves?
Yes.
Maybe I need some gloves.
Maybe you do. So we'll keep you updated. We're going under the car again. It's a pain. And we're getting harassed by mosquitoes and wasps. Which wasps? Wasp or wasp? What? Wasps? We're getting assaulted by wasps. So that's fun. Okay, so one problem that we actually ran into when putting the downpipes back on, for some odd reason, when we put the original clamps back on, it stays stretched like about this much. We've tried different ways to put it on, but it just doesn't work because the bolt that originally goes here, it wouldn't go that far even if we use like pliers to like pull them together. So what we did, we actually modified the bracket and we took off this little part right here. We've taken it off, so now you have two clear exits on both sides, and we've gotten longer bolts with a washer and nuts. So this should actually do the job as long as it's tied in, because this just couldn't do it. And for some reason, all the hardware stores in our area wouldn't sell the bolts that we need, so we just decided to improvise. So it's been roughly about 10 hours. We started the install at like 9. This is military time, and it's 7 o'clock now. It's 18:15 now. It's 7 o'clock. It just hit 7 o'clock actually. And we're just putting everything back. It's like we have the belly pans and then some of the not shield, some of the brackets and stuff for the engine bay, the cover, and then we'll give it a cold start and see how it sounds. But it took way longer than it should have, but we came across a bunch of issues. And the working space was very limited, so that was definitely one of those issues that we had. That and going to the hardware store, I think at least like twice, even though we didn't have to.
So we're putting back the O2 sensors. I had to route them around the engine and in here.
And another thing that we did, we also labeled them, so that was going to be easier to find out. Even though are those gray and oh yeah, one of them's gray and one of them's black, so that also makes it easy, but those ones are both black, so it made it a little confusing. So we just label this, so it just makes it easier. Yeah. I don't know if you can see how good that looks, but it's like pink. I don't know if the camera picks it up the way I see it, but it looks really dope. It's like really colorful. And we actually finished when it's night. We're gonna get the cold start right now. I kinda don't wanna sit in the back, but hey, if it spits a flame, bro, my bad. Oh my god. That is loud. That is so loud, bro. Dude, that's stupid loud. I don't know if you can hear the idle, but it actually sounds really good. It's kind of like purring. It's a nice deep tone. Then the idling. Sounds really good. I hope.
Alright guys, so this is our first drive after putting the arm catless downpipes. And yeah, we're just gonna take it for a quick rip. We haven't ate anything, so we're gonna go get some canes.
It feels less lag, dude. That was many restrictions. Let's see.
You can definitely hear the turbos.
Oh yeah.
Let's hope that Allen key doesn't fucking fall out.
I know. By the way, we dropped an Allen key in the engine bay, and none of our hands could fit in there or any of the tools that we had, so we'll just pray that it doesn't go anywhere. It's away from all the stuff, but that's the last thing we need right now. Probably gonna get like one of those magnet arms tomorrow and just pick it up. Wow, turbos are really loud.
I can hear them, bro. Crazy.
It's really, really.
People always say like the catless downpipes are like.
Ooh, feels nice.
The turbos are like
really loud.
And they're way quicker too. They kick in so quick.
It's better flow, nothing restricts them. How much horsepower do you think you got from the pipes?
I probably got like 30 to the wheels.
30?
The pipes, bro. Yeah.
What? It does feel way faster. We gotta clean this, it looks greasy.
No, this shit needs a wash.
Both our cars.
Especially with all our greasy
Oh yeah.
fingerprints.
With the mechanic hands.